Hey everybody, so we're here at Parsons, Kansas today, and I got a call, I don't know, about 9 o'clock I think it was, that there was a Billy Big Rig having troubles. Can you go? Okay, well, what do we need? Let me show you what all we did. So we're just finishing up here. We got here, and pretty much all these lights were needed repaired. Had to do a little stringing through here to rest up some stuff, but we got it. We had two Hancocks. What did we put on this one here? 245 something, I think. Oh boy, I don't even know. Don't even remember. 245. There it is. 245/70, 17.5. And the tires that blowed both tires. There's one blowout right here, and then he screwed up the rim. Made that was not serviceable. There's the other blowout. There's one spare he wanted me to mount, and I refused to do it. There's a patch coming apart on the inside. And then, so we found another one. He had another one. I mounted it. Beads all goobly on it, not good. But you got to do what you got to do. I aired it up to like 30 pounds. I said, driver, when you need it, air it up. Because I ain't going to be in front of it, and I don't have a portable cage. I ain't got the best setup in the world. There's going to be somebody that's going to laugh at my little setup. I get it. But, you know, we're out here. We're getting it done. We're helping people, and I think that's all that matters. Little old Harbor Freight, what is it, Harbor Freight Fortress? You know, it turns on, does what it's supposed to do. What else did we do to this one? Oh, we had to source 2 new rims. That was a little bit of a challenge, because they were 17.5 rims, and well, they're just not everywhere, but I had a few aces up my sleeve, and we got them taken care of. So we got two rims, 2 tires, lights fixed. I don't even know what time it is, but I bet it's about 3 hours after the call, considering it was an hour to get up here. I'm going to take that as a win. So we got rims sourced, tires sourced. I think it's a good day. I do want to give a shout out right here to my little lady, Miss Tammy Joe. You got anything to say to TikTok? Nothing?
You forgot the mud flaps.
Mud flaps. Mud flap mafia right here. So we had to repair that replace that mud flap. Then we bolted it, whatnot. Then this one was goobly smooched as well. So it is what it is. Got my jack under there. We're gonna get this unchanged. I think the driver's in there. I need to make sure he's road ready before I haul out of here. But that's the anatomy of a road call. But we got them all taken care of. Pretty happy with the time. I think they'll be happy with the bill. You got any troubles down here in southeast Kansas, southwest Missouri, northeast Oklahoma, you call me. We'll come get you. 620-429-1526. We're a mobile tire shop out of Columbus, Kansas. Or stop by my shop anytime, 121 South Delaware Avenue. We appreciate you. Come on back.